people are suffer. Yes, people call it man shop boss TV people. We don't know. Yeah, man, the shop boss TV people, rice people. We don't know. Call it man shop boss TV people. We don't know. Shopping anything and everything. People are shop boss. Let me know what I want with them people. Calling people talk about things. Them people shop boss TV. Are you in that place? Shop boss TV.
Yes, Jamaican people, just Shop Boss TV again. It's myself, people, I'm book up on a story, you know. It's myself, book up on a clip, you know, with a Rasta. It's myself in Mexico. It's like my child who got through. It's myself with a fake passport. You understand what I'm saying? You know, the people, you know, the immigration people, they might try, you know, more time, when things don't straight, they might take some while for, you know. Look through your thing, your files and things, you know, check up on your passport and all these things. But like the Rasta realize, say, watch everybody I go through and him now go through. So you what? It seems like the Rasta get bringle. It's my say, bringle like Rover. It's my son start getting more like me pitbull. It's my say people. Yeah man. Rasta mash up the place. Chacha know. This my telling about some of the Jamaican people. It's my say everywhere we go. It's my say everywhere we go and everywhere we scare with dirty ways with it. You understand what I'm saying? Right? Because you know everything not straight. But you try to go through. It's my say the people in the airport people. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah man. Wait till we go and try to just go through the border. You understand what I'm saying? Right? Right, I don't even know what going on with the people because I see the people don't throw some things at him and thing and him take himself. I take himself through the airport and thing. You see my say people. But we need to change our ways as Jamaican people. We need to change our ways. You understand what I'm saying? We need to have some principle ourselves. You see what I'm saying? We go certain place people, we need to left for dirty ways at yard. You understand what I'm saying? Left for dirty ways at yard people. You see what I'm saying? Jamaican people have too much bad name. Some of we people have too much bad name. You hear that? Too much bad name people. You understand what I'm saying? Because of some of the people we can't go certain place. You see what I'm saying? Because of the type of attitude. You see what I'm saying people? Yeah man. Big up yourself Jamaican people. Poor people up like heaven.
¿Qué te pasa, pendejo? ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Qué te pasa, pendejo? Pase para acá, pase para acá. Pase para acá, pase para acá. Salgan, 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 salgan. Hey, give him a passport.
Yes, people. You know, people. You know something we're going to say, people. The Mexican, they good and live. Understand what you must say, you know. You understand what I say? Just look what I go on, people. Just look, the people don't understand me. No. The people understand when they see my wave this big piece of glass and think people join us time. Lock it, yo, people, tell you something, man. It's a Mexico prison, yo. And lock him in a wall and put him and can't go lock him down. You hear that? Yeah, man, the rest lucky people. Yes, people go out to video and full joy. You understand what I say? Yeah, man.
Hey, give him. I'm ready now. I'm ready for bomb now. Hey, give him a passport, you know. Hey. Give him a passport. Hey, hey, we're ready for bomb now, you know. Let's fuck with the woman now. I want to, the brethren. Hey, let's fuck.
Yes, people. Yeah, man. You know what I have to say still? I have to say still right now still. You see some way Jamaican, we need to stop like other country and look down on us. This man say, we need to stop the hooligan thing. You understand what I say? You understand? We need to leave, as I said before, we need to leave our dirty ways back a yard. You understand what I say? Clean up yourself before we go abroad. You see what I say? Yeah, man. And the next thing people, you know, say, the people like Mexican are afraid of the Rasta. Check it out, people. Like, Mexican them afraid of the Rasta, bro. Yeah, man. It's me. Yeah, man, stay true, people, because my brother sent another clipping to me. Like, Rasta reach back at Jamaica and thing, and you know. You see me? So, yo, I'm gonna take a team, people. You see what I say? I'm gonna take a team. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, one thing. Shop Boss TV production. You don't know. Up. We up, people. Heaven, bang, bang. I mean, yes, people. Again, Shop Boss TV production again, people. Yes, people. The Rasta again. You know, another saga with the Rasta again, people. Yeah, man. You know, John Star, people. The Rasta reach in Jamaica. The Rasta reach back home, people. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I feel the Rasta. You know, I'm going to say before, in a part one, as we call it, not part one, people. Yes, me. The Rasta papers, them never straight. You understand what I'm saying? Well, anyway, people, no long talking. Watch out. I can hear what the Rasta have to say. You understand what I'm saying? I can hear what I have to say, people. Yeah, man. Excitement, people. Listen, watch and listen, people. Yeah, man. Interrogation partner, what go on?
Yeah, because tell me, say them a send me back home. I'm say enough people I go through and sitting and they have my paper and everything, them everything legit and I'm just pissed off.
Yeah, more people in the room too, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright, how you don't know? You lose your cool.
Yeah.
Because you see them hold on for your thing.
No, them I say me I go back home. So I just get pissed off. I don't know what I do.
You feel like if you hold it a bit more, like that, relax a bit more, you could have a chance to go through?
I think so.
Yeah, but you don't lose your cool.
I just lose it.
Where you start to know? Start, yeah. Show me.
I'm going to say one glass kick up, I realize that, fuck it.
I hit this.
Yeah,
I'm mash up
glass, two more, you know.
Yeah, man, people. When you hear the Rasta, when you hear what him say down, right? The man say, yo, the man go about man kick out, get mad and kick out this song. Let me tell you something, man. This is the, I'm telling you about some of we Jamaican people. This is the problem enough of we have. It's what I say, right? We don't learn to conduct ourselves when we go anywhere. We carry a bad man ship with a bad man style and ignorant style. And you understand what I say, people? Yeah, man. Just check out what I say. Because I talk and things like him feel proud for you talk all these things. I know, and I say how bad it look on we Jamaican. You understand what I say? You know so bad it look, you know? But listen when I talk and I go on like say, yo, watch ya. You see me I say? You see me? Just listen, people. Just listen to the rest of the thing, people. Yeah, man.
I'm going to say everybody start get timid and like them war. So I take up a piece of glass with myself, defend myself.
Yeah.
And make my way out through the door and then I back off. So I saw me come out and I say, make a run.
Alright, question. You get back your passport when your passport you get back?
No, I do.
Oh, it's a person, the video could show that the person get it.
No, it's a dep on the deck.
Oh, and Dex said we never see. Oh.
Me keep me cool, I think, but I said, come for your thing and go on the road, don't it?
Yeah.
Right on the desk there.
That's
Yeah.
the case.
Yeah, so I realize that probably to lose my cool now, I fuck the whole thing up.
Yeah, man.
And the glass kick out and I say, I have to take up the glass to defend myself.
But Earthed, not feeling away. Every man deserve a chance. I say it go.
Yeah,
You see me? Yeah, man. Alright? Big up Earthed.
Yeah.
People, as me I say, yo, right now, I can know this. Rasta lucky. If it's thank God in reach back home. You understand what I say? You're lucky. Because any of the money in this side for hold on for them over there. The police, them people call them police and thing and security guard and thing. Because come to the airport and no security at the airport people. You see that? All me I say, I'm lucky. Because who don't want to get locked down in one of the Mexican prisoners. Because I tell you, if I meet it, you see me I say? Yeah, man, you must give thanks and reach back home, man. You better try to change your ways. You better try the border. You understand what I say? You see me? Don't. Well, I tell you, people, big up yourself. Shop Boss TV production. Up top. Up.